Okay, y'all, so it's currently 11:23. I just finished washing, blow drying, and flat ironing my hair. I might end up curling it tomorrow. Is the back giving? What's the back giving? I can't see. I hope it's giving. My lashes really not gonna take that long to do. I just don't feel like doing it. Like, I want to get into bed. I'm just gonna do them, y'all. I'm just gonna do them tonight so I can get it over with. I need to get some sleep. I don't play about my sleep. What I'm ready to do is I'm ready to take the lashes that I have on right now. I'm ready to take them off, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to show y'all how I do my cluster lashes. Okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I took my lashes off. I'm gonna make sure that I link everything below, but as far as the lashes, I'm using these ones. The lashes that I just had on, I had used light fans. This time, I think I'm gonna try to use these fans down here. So we will get into that. So I'm gonna use these 10s first on the very outer corner. I'm just gonna take the bond. This side is the bond, so it look like this. I'm just gonna coat my entire eye. Now that my eye's all coated or whatever with the bond, like I said, I'm gonna start off with the 10s. Okay, so now that I finished the 14s, I'm gonna go in on the inner corner with some 12s, and then I'm gonna finish it off with 10s. I basically did 10, 14, 12, 10, okay? I'm gonna go in with some of these spike fans. I'm gonna use the 16s. Spikes, it's right here, a 16, and a 14, and I double layered both. So now what I'm ready to do, I'm ready to do one more layer, 10s, 12s, and then 10s. Okay, so that's all done. I finished the top layer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a couple bottoms on, the 5s. Okay, can y'all see? I did my bottom. Oh shit, hold on, y'all. They're really cute. So what I'm finna do my other eye real quick. Okay, y'all, so I finished and I did both of my eyes. I did the top and I did the bottoms. It looks like this. So I use like the tip of it, put it on my lash line on the top and the bottom. Then I'm gonna fan it, and yeah, that's gonna be that. Okay. Good morning, y'all. So it is currently Sunday and it is 10:20 in the morning. As y'all can see, I just drunk my tea and I lit my little candle so that I can drink my tea, getting my morning started and stuff. But I'm ready to do my morning routine, and then I'm gonna get into getting ready. I made a reservation for us at Lulu's for 11:30, so I don't have that long to get ready, and I gotta do my hair, my morning routine. I gotta do a whole lot of shit, figure out what I'm gonna wear. So we just go get right into that, okay? Okay, y'all, so I'm all done with my morning skincare routine. I'm not looking too good on time. Like, it is 10:43 now, and the reservation is at 11:30. I'm ready to curl my hair real quick, and then I'm gonna come back when I'm doing my makeup and ready to put on my outfit. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, okay? It's currently 11:20. Keep that in mind. It's dead as, what time is it? It's 11:36. Clearly I'm still in the house. But this the outfit. I got on this True Religion shirt. Okay. These jeans. I got on the Alexander McQueen's. This purse. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't know why I say I don't know, because I do know. It's tea. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to start cooking. It is 6:46. Okay, so what I'm cooking today is I'm cooking garlic steak bites, potatoes, garlic knots, and asparagus. Okay, so we were just getting to cooking that. I'm really sleepy. I just woke up from a nap, but like I'm also hungry as a bitch, so I cannot wait to cook this. So let's just get right into it.
Going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn some. Come through, come through. Come through, girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. To the studio, they already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need a kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, make that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I like. Girl, you got that thing for real. When I was on the mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor but you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always pour you up a drink to let you burn some. Come through.
Hold on, y'all. Alright, y'all, so to wrap this video up, I'm just gonna end it off by me showing y'all my nighttime skincare routine. I'm more consistent with my morning skincare than I am with my nighttime skincare, but that's okay, that's okay. I really don't do a lot for my nighttime skincare. Like, for my skincare in general, I really don't do a lot, because if y'all know from previous videos, I have very sensitive skin. So let's just get right into it. I'm gonna start off with washing my face with this calm cleansing foam. Wash my face real quick off camera, but I am gonna show y'all like the consistency. Y'all seen this before. I don't use it frequently, but when I need my face to have like a deeper clean, I use it just like this. This is the consistency of it. Can y'all see? So I basically wet my face first and then I put it on. It's a very creamy type of face wash. So when you put it on, it feels and looks more like lotion. So if you have drier skin, this is something I would recommend. Okay, so now that I'm all done washing my face, I'm gonna be putting on this mask before I get into the rest of my skincare. I used this mask in my other video for the first time, the cozy nights in my life. I think that's what it was called. Yes, I used this mask and I really liked it, so I got it again. And it's a really cute like pink mask and it made my face feel really good, so I love it. So I'm gonna just put my hair to the back. Okay, so I clipped my hair back, so let's get into putting on this mask. It has grapeseed oil, witch hazel water, dead sea salt, and niacinamide.
Come through,
y'all, so I finished putting on the face mask. Super cute. I'm gonna be back in about 10 minutes. I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna come back and so that I can wash it off and stuff. It's all dry, so I'm ready to go wash this off really quick and then I'm gonna come back so that we can finish everything up, okay? Okay, so I got everything all wiped off. Now what I'm finna do is I'm going in with these Noxzema, am I saying that right, y'all? The Noxzema anti-blemish. These come with 90, it come with 90 pads and they already basically wet and prepped and everything. So I just take one and wipe it over my face. It prevents breakouts and the smell of it is low-key strong. So I be using my fan while I'm doing it so it don't be as strong. But look at my girlfriend just text me. I got you Chipotle. If I'm having a bad day, all somebody gotta do is say that they got me Chipotle. Like, and I'm having a good day, automatically, yes. Okay, so now I'm going in with this. It's for dark spots and stuff like that. Y'all, when I had first got this, y'all can see I'm like at a half a bottle now. But when I first got this, I was like, I don't know if it's gonna work, right? But y'all, I was using it consistently for about 2 to 3 weeks and I had like some really dark scars right here, they was on my cheeks. If y'all go back here like Valentine's Day, I had first started using this and you could see on my cheeks they was like, it was some really dark spots or whatever, but now they is gone. Like, don't mind the two at the top, like those are new, okay, those are new, but I really like this. But like, I had tried, but yeah, this one, the Good Molecules one, this is still a full bottle, right? I had that one first and I was trying to use it, you know, and I just won't seeing a difference. But some people say that you're supposed to use it with like the topicals cream, so maybe that was it, but that one was not working for me. But this one, go get you some, go get you some. The very last thing I'm finna put on is, y'all know this is my favorite. Like, I already know I have, well, y'all don't know because some of y'all are probably new, so hey, what's up? But I have really bad eczema and y'all know it's spring. My eczema flare-ups happen the most in the spring and winter time, basically when the climate changes. Okay y'all, so that basically wraps it up for this vlog. I really hope that y'all enjoyed. Y'all, it's so crazy because it feel like I'm growing so fast but so slow at the same time. Like, it's crazy. Like, I've been on YouTube for almost a year now, but it don't even feel like a year. Like, it'll be a year come my birthday, which is in June 25th, Cancer season. Y'all already know what's up. But I've been like doing YouTube consistently for almost, like, I started my channel on my birthday. Like, I started it that birthday week. That was like my first video. My first video was me preparing for my 21st birthday trip. And it's like, I cannot believe it's been that long. And it's like, when I started, I didn't have nothing. No subscribers, no watch hours, no views, I didn't have shit. And it's like now, last time I checked, I'm at like 387 subscribers. And like, crazy to me. Like, I'm probably rambling this shit, but that is really crazy to me. Like, even though 300 is really not a lot, it's a lot to me. Like, I have a picture where it says 1 subscriber, no videos, nothing, and that 1 subscriber was me. And it's like, it's just so crazy how far I got. Like, I'm sorry I'm talking too much, but yes, the video that I have coming up next week, I'm so excited for that video. I think it's gonna be like a really fun, interesting type video, so I hope y'all stay tuned for that. I'll see y'all next week. I love y'all so much. Bye.